In this video, I'll give you a tour of all the buttons of the iPhone 17 and how you can use those buttons. First, let's go on the right side. So over here on the top, we have the power button. This power button, if you press on it, will put your phone to sleep. And if you press it again, will wake it up. Under the power button, we have the camera control button. Actually, it's a lot more than a simple button. So if you press on that, it will go directly in the camera app. And once you're in the camera app and you press this button, you'll be able to take pictures. You can also slide your finger on this button while you are in the camera app to change a few settings. So right now I'm controlling the exposure up and down, but there's also other settings available. You need to double tap the button without fully pressing it. So just a double tap like this, and now we can switch between different settings. Exposure, depth, zoom, for example, cameras. If we choose camera, if you click here to choose camera, you can choose between the 2x zoom, the 1x zoom, the wide angle, and if you switch again, you'll switch to the selfie camera. So it's very useful. Simply by swiping your finger, you'll be able to adjust these settings. If I double press again on this, you'll be able also to choose styles and also tones. Same thing, by selecting, you'll be able to swipe and adjust tones. Over here, if we look down below, there's no buttons. We only have a mic, some speakers, and the USB Type-C port of the iPhone 17. This is used to charge your phone, but you can also use this USB Type-C port to transfer data. For example, you can plug a USB drive over here, or even a micro SD card using an adapter. Otherwise, on the left side of the iPhone, we're going to have the volume down and volume up button. This can be used for something else, okay? Not only volume up. So if you're going to press at the same time volume up and the power button on the other side, you're going to take a screenshot on your iPhone 17. Let me redo it. Also, you can use these buttons, including the power button, to force restart your phone in case it's frozen. By pressing quickly the volume up, volume down, and keeping press the power button, you'll have access to the slide to power off slider that you just have to use. Okay, simply slide your finger to power off your iPhone. Finally, the last button over here on the left side is the action button. This button can be customized, so it can do almost anything you can think. To customize it, open the settings of your iPhone, go down the list, select action button. Right now, there's nothing, but if you swipe left and right, you'll be able to choose, as I said, almost anything. So it can be the silent mode button, it can be the camera button, visual intelligence, flashlight. Actually, this is very useful. If you leave it to flashlight and you need to press it at least 1 second, it will activate the flashlight, and you can also turn it off. But as I said, you can also, for example, launch an app. If you go to shortcuts, choose shortcut, open app, you'll be able to select any apps that is currently installed on your iPhone. And every time you're going to press that button, it will launch the app that you have selected, or other options. The possibilities are almost endless. And on the back, although it seems that there's no button, there is a hidden one. You see the Apple logo over here? It can be used as a button. How do you do this? If you go into the settings, accessibility, go down, select touch, go down this list, select back tap, and here you have to select double tap. What does double tapping the Apple logo does? Click on the top and select any of these options. For example, if you want by double tapping the back to have your flashlight open, select flashlight, go back, and it got register, which means that, let me demonstrate. I'll tap on the Apple logo. The flashlight turned on and the flashlight turned off. So you can assign many different things to this double tapping button, again, you have all these options, and you can also triple tap to have another option available. Otherwise, this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below. Check my Amazon links also. I'll put links towards case, USB drive, adapters, everything that is compatible with your iPhone 17. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you in the next video.